Welcome again. Actually, I only want to make this thing two-part, but seems I have to make it three-part because the last person who did this in this amplifier, in this board, I don't like what they did. They did right thing to put some paste on this, but it seems a very low quality paste. It's already dry, so it's make a little bit sticky. And this one I have already cleaned it. Actually it just popped up like this, not a good thing. They haven't cleaned the carbon in here because it's actually a conductivity. They can make other thing to shorten. For the cable I'm not quite sure because I haven't checked the original one, but I think, well, the previous owner said it was alive, so I think this was the right cable. So I think that's all. Remember, when you open this thing, it's a very good idea to put some paste on it, the quality paste that not easily dry, so it will make easier for the next time you open them again. Remember to check the pad. If there's a pad in here, if they're in here, that means that in the cases there will be no the silicone paper again. Okay, today I'm gonna show you a little bit how to open the big capacitor on it. See, it's already fall down. I'm gonna resolder them. I open this one, all the bolt, because I have to clean inside of it. Even though they're not problem now, they will be in the future because they're conductivity. They can cause harm to your board. This is already broken. This one I'm not quite sure why they did this, but I don't know. Let's see. Okay, today we're gonna try to open the capacitor. How to do it? First, you're gonna apply some solder to make them more easier to remove. New solder, just like that. You just have to remember to work on with a lot of contact point. It's more easier because see, when it starts moving, you got to wiggle a bit, then you go to the other side, also the same, wiggle, try to pull them out a little bit, just like that. Try to not to put it your soldering too long because you're gonna break the pad. Hopefully the pad is in touch. Well, actually when the capacitor is fine, the pad will be fine unless you put it too much heat on it. See, it's already open. Looking nice, no problem, no sign of leaking, nothing else. Let's see what's inside of it. Well, very clean. It means the capacitor is still good. Also the other one, as usually, put some new solder on it because the new solder usually more soft than the older one. It will help you to make them move more easily. Be careful with the wiring. Let's try again. As usually, start from the biggest touch contact point. If you cannot wiggle them too long, leave them alone for a while. Let them cool so you won't break the pad. Okay, start from here. Oops. My bad. Let's try to wiggle first. It's a little bit smelly in here, smell of a burn. I don't know what inside of it. Hopefully this one is still good. See, it's a little bit wiggled, and you can pull out just a little, not too much, just a little. You have to do it step by step. Oh, it's already loose. Okay, guess that's all. Oh, this one is kind of scary because a lot of carbon in here. I don't know if it's from the capacitor or from the blow one. Let's clean the pad. Make sure you clean this very well, otherwise the new capacitor won't fit in. you don't have to worry about the lot of contact point, because usually the pad is quite hold out, where for this one you should be a little bit more faster, because the pad usually break if you put too much heat. Well, okay, that's it. I'm gonna try to clean them, the carbonized side. I usually use some sharp material or something else, not really sharp, to make. You have to clean all the carbon inside. See, there's a carbon. This is a conductivity. Try to clean them till they look a little bit white. More cleaner is better. See, conductivity. It's gonna be cause you trouble for the future. Is this thing bothering? Let's open this one. Oops. It's not gonna hold up very well. Let's loosen them for a while. I can see the wiring here to there. I don't know. I'm gonna check in the front. Just pay attention for the line, where they go, where they should go, where they should end. I think that's it. I think you're gonna be fine if you can able to do this. I'll try to clean them more. Oh, this thing is already broken. Just pick them up. Just try to clean the carbon as far as you can, as good as new. Well, I'm gonna clean them more, but I don't want to make the video so long, so I think you guys understand why. I'm gonna back again after I clean some of them. Okay, that's it. See you guys later. Bye bye.